so terrified right now. I'm like, don't go through. Don't. Oh. All right, so we're gonna do this Dr. Pepper Chug challenge. I got 2 of them in case it goes horribly wrong on the first one, which I'm kind of expecting it to, because I've never done this. So I'm gonna shotgun it, and apparently when you shotgun it, you're supposed to hold it this way, and you poke a hole like right here. You're supposed to find a sweet little empty air spot with a key. People did this so easy. I'm gonna try it and see how easy it actually is. I'm so terrified right now. I'm like, don't go through. Don't. Oh, okay, so sweet. That actually went pretty easy. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. Hell yeah, I'm excited now. Oh shit, here it comes. All right, ready? We're gonna count it down. We'll go this way. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dude. Oh, that's way too fast. Oh shit.
Won't puke.
God damn. Oh yeah, so ow. That was my Dr. Pepper Chug challenge. Bye.